Welcome to Cardiff and Vale Glazing, located off Cardiff Road in Barry. On display are premium high-security uPVC sash windows, casement windows, flush windows as well as tilt and turn windows. If you are looking for a uPVC front or back door, we have them on display. There are some amazing special offers available on these doors, saving £150 on every door. You will also be greeted by the largest indoor display of ultra-secure solid core composite doors from Endurance, the UK's strongest and most secure composite doors. We run a spectacular offer on these doors, saving at least £300 off their retail price. We always suggest writing down some questions before visiting the showroom, or visiting our website, where you can learn more about individual products, and even design any doors and windows that you like the look of. These are automatically sent to us when you submit them, so we can advise you on the designs you have shown interest in, help you lower the price where possible, and inform you if there are more suitable options for you or your property. We have a massive range of door furniture on display from era, ranging from standard to contemporary, including forged and pewter. We also stock the increasingly popular Brass B collection of door furniture. Our Bifold room allows you to try out our Aluminium Bifold door and trial our range of integral window blinds. Many of our customers are interested in seeing our Endurance Composite stable door, which makes a perfect back door. If you are interested in sliding sash windows, our uPVC EcoSlide window display is also extremely popular. Book an appointment by visiting cardiffandvaleglazing.co.uk or call 02921 150 585.